Good evening, homesteaders. We've only got a few hours of light left. It took us a couple of hours to do the preparation for the kitchen. As you can see, everything's been covered and protected. All of this green is going to turn white, and that ceiling is going to turn white again. I have to do the doorway, but we've pretty much covered everything and we're ready to go. This is second time using the Wagner Control Pro HEA system, and if I remember everything correctly, I'm going to put water through it first and then connect the paint. Remember, this is a 9-meter long hose. 9-meter long hose. So that means I've got to get all the water out before the paint comes as well. So this might be a bit noisy to start with. Oh, have I done everything right? Down is priming, as far as I remember. Now with the paint, I've already pre-stirred it and put hot water in, so it should be kind of warm. Now I just transfer this into here. And spray it once again until paint comes out of here, and then I'll put the wand on. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but let's have a go at it. So now everything's been primed and there's paint in that tip. I can put the wand on, and the best thing about the wand is I don't need to use a ladder to paint the ceiling, and I don't need a step up, hopefully, for anything. Alright, I'm just doing it finger tight. I don't want to use tools for everything because I'm afraid I might actually lock it or crack it or something. I have to put the tip in. I'm using the 311, and it's just a simple matter of loosening it up a little and then twisting it on. Using big fat gloves is usually a pain in the ass. If you're not really doing brickwork, I don't think you need big fat gloves like this. I think even surgical gloves or just white cotton gloves will do it. Alright. It's upside down. Alright. I'm going to do the whole edge.
Mm-hmm. You forgot the ceiling, huh?
Yeah.
Now do this first and then do the ceiling. Doesn't matter anymore.
I guess because it's so dark.
It doesn't matter.
Oh!
Oops.
Wrong side.
You want to wipe it off?
Can't really fit those.
Yeah, that's good enough. That's much better.
Sure. Alright, I'm going to turn it sideways. So, oops, this way. So it sprays fan that way. Because it sucks.
Try to go with it light green.
I'll do this again.
To get in there too.
Oh yeah, you're right. I missed it completely.
Yeah. Too much.
Terrific.
Yeah, stop it now.
Yeah, just that one bit. Back
I
there.
take that and you paint that, please.